Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a mom and a daughter. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with using markers, and something to draw with. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper, and in the center we're gonna do the eyes first. So it's two oval shapes, and now I wanna color these with black. The next thing I'm gonna do is put some lashes on the top or to the sides, and it's just two little lines in the outside. Then I'm gonna do the little lines here underneath her eyes, and this is gonna help to look at more like she's really smiling. Now on the center we're gonna put the nose, and it's a C shape. Next we're gonna do the smile, and I wanna start with two curved lines, and they go underneath each eye. So let's do one here, and I'm gonna pass my marker twice and one underneath the other eye, and now we're gonna connect them doing a curved line to go underneath the nose, and in the bottom we're gonna do the same thing. Next we're gonna put some lines here, and we're gonna pass the marker twice, and these are gonna make it look more like her teeth. Now I'm gonna do the top of her head. So here in the middle, following the nose, I'm gonna put here my finger, and then I'm gonna put a dot next to my finger, okay, to the left. Now I'm gonna go on the bottom. I'm gonna try to follow the nose, that's my center, and I'm gonna put another dot underneath, kind of like leaving a finger space in between the mouth and the dot. Now let's join these two. This is gonna be the left side of her head. And the reason because I'm doing this is because her hair is going in a little bit on front of her face. So we're gonna do a curve right here, okay? So this curve is gonna cross a little, it's going up a little and going down really close to the eye, and I'm gonna stop right there. Now I'm gonna do the other part of the face with a curved line, and I wanna stop, leaving a space right here for the little girl's bow. So this bow is kind of like two triangles together, but the end of the triangle is not closed, they're just joined together. There. Now we can finish the face just closing these lines. Now let's put the ears, and it's just two C shapes on each side of her face. Now let's continue with the arms, two curved lines that goes down each side. So let's start with the left. I'm going down, and then I'm gonna curve up a little bit. Let's do the same thing in the other side, starting from the bow, going down and curving a little bit down. Now I'm gonna do here another line just like I did with the mom with her hair, and I wanna do a curved line to go all the way around. I'm going in a little and I'm going around. So in a little here, going around and stop. Now let's put the ears, and just two C shapes just like we did with the mom. And let's do the face. So I'm making my girl look super happy, so I'm gonna do two U shapes, upside down letter U's, and I'm passing my marker twice just to pop a little bit the eyes, and we can put eyelashes. We can put a little nose in between the eyes. This time it's a backwards letter C, and a smile. Now here on the top I'm gonna put one more line to make it look more like hair. Now let's continue with the hair, but first I'm gonna do here the shoulders of the mom, and it's just two curvy lines that touch the hair of the girl. So here's one and two. Now let's go to the top, and I wanna do here, I wanna put on the top of this line, I wanna put a dot just to have a reference. And this dot is gonna have a line that goes down, and it connects with the shoulder. There. For the other side, I'm gonna do a line that goes down too, but this is more like wider. It's wider and the same level as this one. We're gonna go in a little bit and going up, and then going down and getting closer and connect with the shoulder. Inside here, I'm gonna put another line just to make it look more like hair. Now here I'm gonna close this line, so I'm gonna finish connecting, and underneath the girl's chin I'm just gonna do a decoration for like a dress she's wearing. Now let's do the hands of the girl. So this is gonna be three U shapes, upside down letter U's, and now I wanna do a big U shape to connect the three. just like this for the arm. Let's repeat these steps in the other side, and I'm putting on the other side just like this. So 3, and one big one for the arm. Now let's do the mom's arms and hands. So I want to do a line here inside the girl's dress, and this is the thumb. Now I want to do a line that goes to the other side, and here I'm going to pretend this line goes in behind the girl's hair and it connects down here. Let's go to the other side, and here I'm going to pretend this line is going in behind and it connects from the bottom of the hair to the hand. Let's finish the fingers now, and I want to start here on the elbow of the girl going up with 3 U shapes. This is 1, 2, and 3, and this is the longer one and connects. Now the other side is just gonna look 1, kind of like a line, 2, and this one connect with the arm of the girl, and let's put 1 little curve right there. We're almost done. We're just gonna finish the details of the girl's dress by doing 2 lines. And here I almost forget that she needs and they need eyebrows. And there, that's it. We've finished this mom and daughter. I hope you like this lesson. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here you can see all the colors I use. You can also see that I add some hearts here next to the mom and the daughter. I put some little hearts here. I also put pink on the bow, and I use this pink for doing the little cheeks. Now the color of the skin is different also to make it look more different. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this one. See you next time!